Hi dear students, this is the second video about the sets, and we are going to continue with the set notations, and we are going to learn the universal set and complement. The universal set denoted by the symbol E here, like I'm doing like this, and it is easy for me. And the universal set means that contains all the elements being considered. So if we are talking about the school, primary school, all the classes, when they come together, that becomes universal set. And the classes, the set inside the set, it becomes. And if you're talking about the days of the week, from Monday to Sunday, all the days. And if you have specific days, let's say they start with T, so Tuesday and Thursday becomes your set, and the rest of them, they are in the universal set it's going to be. So Monday, Saturday, Sunday outside of the set, and that is the part of the complement. The complement of a set is the set of all elements not in A. So if the set is A, Tuesday and Thursday, what is not in A? The rest of the days, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So these days becomes the complement. And with respect to this one, you can find also the set A, because set A and set complement A, when they come together, when they make union, they make the universal set. Okay, let's continue with exercise. Here from this figure, from the Venn diagram, we are going to we are going to write in the list form. So I'm going to start with A. A is equal to the set elements here, as you see when I circle this part. This is the elements of A. These are the elements of A, which if I start with 1, then 2, it's going to be, then 7, then 5, then 9, and then 4, it's going to be. So these are the elements of A. Okay, what is not element of A? Which is not in A? So what is not in A? Here, these are all the elements. What is not in A? The rest of them, which is 3, 6, and 8. Which is 3, 6, and 8. Okay, what is A intersection B? A intersection B, from the figure we are understanding, from the Venn diagram, sorry. From the Venn diagram, we are getting the results 5, 9, and 4. Okay. What about the A intersection B naught? A intersection B naught, we should understand the complement. Actually, we are using also for this sign not. A not also we are using. So complement of A intersection B, complement of A intersection B, or not A intersection B, can be said, can be found from the, here you can close this part. These are the not A, these are the inside the A intersection B, so the rest of them, they are not going to be intersection B. So what is not in A intersection B? 1 is not in A intersection B, 2 is not in A intersection B, 7, 3, 6, and 8 it's going to be. So these are the elements which are not A intersection B. What is A union B? A union B. Here, A union B is 1, 2, 1, 2, 7. So all the elements in A and B, 5, 9, and 4, then 6 it's going to be. So these are the elements of A union B. It's going to be here. There's no need to draw the parenthesis, but for the not operation, we should. Okay, then A union B not. What is A union B not? Complement of A union B. Complement of A union B, which is outside of A union B, there are only two elements, which is 3 and 8. That's the A union B not. Okay, the last one is the universal set. Universal set, it's going to be here for this question. All the elements which we are talking about, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 it's going to be. When you check the numbers, they are all here. So the universal set, it's going to be from 1 to 9 digits, 1 to 9. Okay. Okay, this is the last question about this video, and we are going to shade the areas with respect to given here. and we are going to use for each question here A, B, C, D, E, F. We should use different figure, I mean different diagram. Only I'm going to solve here A, B, C. That's why I got only 3 of them. I made the copies of the 3 of them, and now I'm starting with C. So if it says show the only C, we are going to start from here. Only we are going to shade the area of C. So this is the answer of our question. This is the C only. I don't want to go out. Okay, this is the answer of the first one, which is this one is A. And for the B1, I'm going to shade the D knot, which means I'm going to shade outer side of the D. All the here with respect to this one, I'm going to come here, which is not D. Inside the D, it is the element of D. So when I say D knot, outside of it should be. So I got some part from the inside, but because of the pen writing that is here, I didn't want to do that one. So outside of the D, also you should only close the universal set. You shouldn't pass the universal set out. So everything what is inside here, this is out of D, and this is the answer, by the way. And here we show the area, I mean by using the diagrams, we showed what is D knot. This is D knot it's going to be, which is, and the last part C intersection D. You know this one, we drew this one before, so I'm going to show only that part here. This is the here intersection part, so only this part we are going to draw, and that's going to be our answer. And we are going to finish the video here. C intersection D. The rest of them we will solve in the class, so see you.